Hi, I'm Lauren Stepp and I'm an educator with IdHAIR North America. Today I would like to share some product knowledge with you. Fiber foam out of Elements Xclusive is a wonderful lightweight foam. It's also paraben-free, sulfate-free, and uses non-allergenic perfume. You can scrunch with it, so it's a good for like a beach look. You can also blow out with it, so it'll give you that nice hold to the blowout. To use it, you're going to shake it, hand upside down, spray a little into your hand. I wanted to show you the finished result after blow drying with fiber foam from Elements Xclusive. You can see I've got some great volume here, and I am able to do a little bit of curl and texture in the ends. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, you can find us at IdHAIRNorthAmerica.com. You can follow us on Instagram, and you could follow me specifically at Lauren Marie Hair and Makeup Company. Thanks for watching.